Greetings from HydroTechnic, India's leading hydraulic press manufacturing company since 1990. I'm here to introduce our versatile range of laboratory hydraulic presses that serve critical needs for materials testing across research institutes, pilot production facilities, and educational organizations. Our laboratory presses enable precision compression, molding or shaping of material samples by exerting accurate and repeatable forces in a controlled manner. They facilitate testing of physical properties like tensile strength, hardness, elasticity, plasticity, fatigue limit, and more. We custom engineer our lab presses based on test material, force rating, piston stroke length, heating cooling needs, test standards compliance, and other specific requirements posed by our customers. They can test from fragile polymers to sturdy aerospace composites. What truly sets us apart is our in-house expertise in hydraulic press design, simulation, manufacturing, and instrumentation. Our technical consultants leverage decades of application knowledge to consult customers on selecting the right lab press optimized for their need. So if you are looking for reliable, high-accuracy laboratory presses for advancing your R&D, quality testing, or educational labs, do reach out to us. Call +9 197174744831 or email sales@microhydrotechnic.co.in and our experts would be glad to understand your needs to customize the best solution.